Okay, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing here. Just wanted to show you guys this Fzone auto top-up. Apparently this is the new upgraded, new and approved unit. As you can see by the look of the packaging, you'll see that this is the new one. It's the blue. I read a lot of comments that people had out there for the green unit, and which would have been I guess they have problems with it overflowing and not working right. This is the 580P, so apparently this is the bigger pump. I think there's a 380P. Now, as you can see on the left side, you'll see the pump, how small it is. There is the sensor with the magnet on the back. It's blue. That magnet is strong, very strong. The only thing I don't like about that is it turns when it's in the tank, which I'll show you that in the next video. Here's the pump. As you can see how small it is, it will fit into most jugs, most reservoirs. If you want to use the Red Sea new jugs, reservoirs, it will fit down in that. I think the head on that would be 2 meters. Here's the new sensor, which on your left side is the power and the right side is your pump. Now I will be doing basically a review on this product. I'm not going to do an installation. It's pretty straightforward. I'll show you later here. Here you'll see there's Velcro 3M stick on that sensor that I just had out. And here's the unit for putting the hose on the back of your aquarium and your check valve. Here's your power adapter, which the cord's probably about 3 meters long. No, maybe 2 meters long. It's pretty much your standard power adapter. Here's your hose, and it's about 3 meters long, and it's very soft. I really don't like this hose. Kinks really easy. Here's your user manual, your quick start guide. Very easy to set up this auto top off, you guys. But there's some flaws with it, and I'll do a video on that soon. There's really not much to it. So the video coming up, I will show you the installation, how I set it up, and my concerns with this unit. There is quite a few actually. Thanks for watching, you guys.